Well, snowmobiles could be a big solution for whenever snowstorms strike. Casey says Ophelia Jacobson is back from Guthrie County, and Ophelia, the sheriff is putting out a call for action for people to help.
Yeah, Todd, that's right. The Guthrie County Sheriff's Office put out an ask for help on their Facebook page on January 13th. The deputy came up with the idea in September in anticipation of winter weather. Now the program is getting put to the test.
Yeah, frankly, it's a toy.
There's nothing Jim Wendell enjoys more than jumping on his snowmobile and going for a ride.
It's kind of an old man machine for hauling, an additional passenger. In my case, my wife.
But this toy, this old man machine, as some call it, is taking on a new name.
There's not too many times when you take a toy and turn it into something useful that could potentially save a life.
Wendell is one of 10 volunteers to sign up for the Snowmobile Group. It's a program created by the Guthrie County Sheriff's Office. If there were ever an emergency that first responders couldn't get to because of bad winter weather or bad road conditions, the Sheriff's Office would call the volunteer closest to the scene to help. Then that person would respond using their personal snowmobile.
It's peace of mind.
Deputy Blake Michelson says it's a relief knowing the community has their back. He says winter weather adds a level of uncertainty to the job.
And it's stressful because you never know when somebody's going to suffer a medical emergency or if you're going to be able to get to them or not.
When you can't get to somebody, that's a pretty cruddy feeling.
Deputy Kent Grease showed us this snowdrift on the side of White Pole Road, standing 18 to 20 feet tall. Grease says a snowmobile here would make all the difference.
They're designed to drive right over these drifts, through here.
The sheriff's office says they haven't had to call on any volunteers to help quite yet. But when that call comes,
It's just a neat way to say now you have a toy that can be put to a good use.
Wendell will be ready to start his engine and potentially help a neighbor in need. And if you have a snowmobile and want to volunteer, contact the Guthrie County Sheriff's Office. Deputies say they'll take anybody who can help, but are now looking to recruit volunteers who live in the western and southern parts of the county. Adair County is also asking for similar help.